Hello, my name is Miss Crossland and I am just one of the biology teachers responsible for delivering the A-level biology course to both Meaden and Garibaldi students. If you are currently a Year 11 student wondering whether you should take biology at A-level, it may be for many reasons. One reason may just be because you really enjoy that subject at GCSE and it's something that you'd like to explore further. You may also have a career in mind that you may want to explore, and biology may lead down that path for you. That may not be the case, and biology also opens many doors, so even if it's something that you're not 100% sure on what you want to do in the next stage of your life, biology could still be a viable option for you. So a little bit about the course. It is a 2-year linear course, and that means that everything is assessed at the end of the 2 years, so at the end of year 13. So in the first year you would expect to study modules such as biological molecules, which is all about the biochemistry of the molecules that make up living organisms, the immune system, cells but to a whole new level from what you did at GCSE, the gas exchange systems in things such as humans as well as fish, insects for example, the heart and circulatory systems of these animals and organisms, DNA, genetics and biodiversity. In year 2 you should expect to cover content such as photosynthesis and respiration, the nervous system, homeostasis, evolution, even more genetics and how that all links everything together, and various DNA technologies. Biology is by no means the easy science of all three, and because of that we do have some entry requirements that I'd like to share with you. So due to the maths and the ability to be able to communicate your answers quite often in a long answer question, we require a level 5 at GCSE in both maths and English. That alongside a level 6 in your GCSE biology, whether that be from triple or trilogy course. The course that you should expect when you come onto A-level biology is 5 lessons of teaching per week. It's usually across 2 different teachers. We also expect that you do the same amount of time of learning independently outside of the class. You should expect to cover 6 required practicals in lesson, and they could be examined at the end of the first 2 years. Some of them are really interesting, brilliant A-level practicals, taking things a lot further than what you would at GCSE. In the second year you should expect pretty much something of the same, but at the end of this year this is where your examination takes place. There are 3 exam papers. The first is all content from year 1, the second from year 2, and the third paper is what we call synoptic. So you can expect content from either years in there, quite heavily data based and driven in that exam paper, and it includes a 25-mark essay which tests your ability on drawing all of those different aspects that you've learnt together. If you want to know any more detail about what's in the course, or if you've got any specific questions about what's in the course, then you can find this specification online. You can either type in AQA biology specification on Google, or you can click the link on this PowerPoint to find out more. If you've got any additional questions, then please ask any of your teachers at school and they can direct you to the right member of staff in order to answer that question specific to biology. Thank you for listening, and we hope that you take biology at A-level.